Greetings from Udde, which is a official naked beach in Nacka Nature Reserve, very close to Källtorpssjön. As you have seen the entry sign into this small peninsula, or Udde as it is called in Swedish. It is 28th of October 2025 and beach day number 148 of my Sweden beach adventures. And yes, end of October, we have great weather in Sweden as usual during the months of October and November. So yeah, it's time for me once again to take you to a journey at this naked beach. And the most viewed video on my channel, long form video, is actually from this spot. So I wanted to pay a visit again to this majestic spot. And I arrived here with my Scott gravel bike, 9 kilometers, somewhere around less than 30 minutes, as it was maybe not the most fast way as it is also partly through the forest. So yeah, this is how the environment in Sweden looks like this time of the year. And yes, at the entry sign it says Nakenbad, which means naked beach, but at this point nobody will be naked on the beach because it's cold, maybe for a few seconds like I am now or minutes as such. 8 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna soon find out the temperature in the lake of Källtorp. And it's been a while since I have been to this lake. I actually wanted to stay at Källtorpssjön, which is closer to my home, but I decided that now it was time to come again to Källtorp. The water, as you can see, is super, I mean not super, but clear enough. Not as clear as Flatten, but it also depends on the type of the lake that you are visiting. Here we have some green trees throughout the year, but some of them have gotten, the ones that changes the color, they have distinguished yellow. And on the other side at Norra Källtorpsbadet there is even a much better view now, because there are so many, as we used to call in my home country, autumn fall leaf trees. But yeah, on the other side we can see Källtorpssjön, which is also very known for its sauna that they have there. There you can also go in for a dip after a sauna. I don't think that's necessary for me, but I am experienced swimmer in cold waters. And we have 10 degrees Celsius in the lake of Källtorp. All right, let me give you one short brief of this Udde, or I think it's called peninsula, but yeah, I will need to search for a more appropriate term, because peninsula sounds very huge. But yeah, because it's divided on all of the sides by water except one side that's connected to the mainland. Okay guys, let's then clear the way. Once I actually hurt my knee over here well, I have hit on the rock, so I need to be very careful when I go in now for sure. All right, let's then get going. Now it's not so slippery, as the algae materia inside the water is not so strong during these cold months, and colder it will get. I can't believe that in 2 days I'm celebrating 150 beach days in Sweden this year only. But yeah, okay. It's a bit chilly in the legs, I cannot lie, so there won't be long swim today. So yeah, ready, set, and go. It's nice, I'm not gonna lie. It's nice. Slightly cold for sure, but I have some warm clothes to get me through later. Just look at how peaceful the nature is. It's really a blessing to be able to have this type of nudist or naked beach in very close to central Stockholm and just 9 kilometers from my home. And there is also another nice spot to lay down on the other end also as well. So yes, that was a wrap from Vegas to there for now. Now it's time for me to get out and get warm because it's cold. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.